You know that feeling when everything you've built, everything you've poured yourself into suddenly feels like it's not enough? Like something's missing, even though you've done everything right? That's where I found myself. So today, I'm starting over and I'm taking you with me. In this episode, I'm revealing why I am burning down my hard work and how it's all about to change. Not just for me, but for you. Trust me, you're gonna wanna hear this. You are listening to Super Bloom Coach, the podcast for life coaches ready to 10x their business. I'm your host, Mariah Riona, a luxury brand designer, strategist, and certified life coach. I'm your go-to guide for building a powerful brand that truly stands out. With over 10 years of experience working with luxury brands, today I'm excited to share why I'm refreshing one of my biggest projects, the Luxury Branding Blueprint. Here's why I'm completely starting over with my luxury branding course. Let me start by taking you back to last fall when I launched the Luxury Branding Blueprint. It was a big moment. I poured my years of experience and insights into this course, and I was thrilled to see the response. The pre-sale sold out, and we had a fantastic first cohort go through the course. It was amazing to watch students dive in and transform their brands, and I got some really great feedback. I thought, this is it. I'm helping people in such a meaningful way. I was really proud of what I'd created. But here's the thing. After the initial excitement, I started to feel a tug, that whisper you get when you know something could be better. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, but more than that, I want my work to have real value. I want my students to walk away from this course feeling like they're truly ready to attract those high-paying clients and operate confidently as leaders in their space. So I did something that I believe is essential for growth in any business. I listened. I reached out to my students and got feedback and really listened to their experiences. Some had breakthroughs. Others found certain parts challenging, and a few left the course feeling it could be more streamlined. All of it was extremely valuable. So I made a big decision. Instead of just fixing a few sections here and there, I wanted to give the course a full makeover. I didn't want to slap a Band-Aid on it. I wanted it to be exceptional. This decision to start over was a big one. It's easy to get comfortable, but that's not why I'm here. I want to be the best possible coach and mentor to my students. Starting over wasn't just about improving a product. It was about honoring the commitment I made to all of you, the coaches and entrepreneurs who trust me with their brand journey. And so I took the plunge and started from scratch. So let's talk about what's new inside this version of the course and what's changed. I wanted this course to be comprehensive and transformational, so I expanded it from 4 to 5 modules that I know are going to take you from where you are now to where you want to be. First, luxury branding strategy. We start with strategy because that's the foundation of a successful brand. In this first module, I'll guide you through developing a strategy that sets you apart in a saturated market. This isn't about copying what everyone else is doing. This is about finding your unique angle and positioning yourself as a luxury brand. You'll be able to communicate why your brand is worth the investment and why clients should choose to work with you. The second module is luxury brand messaging. Messaging is everything. So in this second module, I teach you how to speak directly to your ideal clients in a way that resonates deeply. This module is all about refining your message so that it feels authentic and draws people in. We dive into copywriting, brand voice, and how to stay consistent across platforms. It's about creating trust through every single word so clients know you're the real deal. The third module is luxury brand aesthetic. The luxury brand aesthetic module is where we really get into the luxury visuals. When someone lands on your website or social media, they should feel your brand's value immediately, simply by the way it looks. So I walk you through the elements of luxury design, from choosing the right colors and fonts to understanding high-end photography and visuals. I even break down how to create a cohesive, high-end look without going overboard, because luxury is all about balance and refinement. The fourth module is luxury brand experience. This is probably one of my favorite modules because luxury isn't just about looks. It's about the entire experience. So I teach you how to design an experience for your clients that's seamless, high touch, and unforgettable. It's about creating moments that make clients feel valued and special at every step, which is key to building a brand that clients are not only loyal to, but will rave about. Finally, we have the bonus launch module. This is where we bring it all together. I give you my step-by-step approach to launching a luxury brand in a way that commands attention and builds excitement. I want you to feel confident in putting your brand out there, knowing that you're not just another coach or entrepreneur, you're a luxury brand that offers undeniable value. I am so excited to get this new and improved luxury branding course into the hands of my students because I know how impactful these changes will be. I know that each module has the power to make you stand out, to help you charge what you're worth, and to attract those clients who see the value in what you bring. This course isn't just about ticking off boxes or following a standard template. It's about transforming the way you show up and being confident in that elevated space. I want to make it super easy for anyone who's ready to dive in. You can purchase the course right now and you'll get instant access to the new and improved version the moment it goes live in just a few weeks. And remember, all students currently in the course will get the new version as soon as it's available as well. So if you're ready to take that step and start positioning your coaching business as the luxury brand it's meant to be, head to the link in the description below or visit mariahriona.com to secure your spot. I can't wait to see you inside the course.